I was recording a video earlier using the camera, using the video camera here, this one here, in Windows 11. But the problem was, it was picking up the wrong microphone. I wanted it to select, I can show you this microphone. But what it was doing is picking up the microphone on the webcam itself, and the microphone on the webcam is it's okay, but it's no more than okay. And no matter what I did, I could not make it pick up this microphone that I'm using here until I found a solution. So the solution is this. Now, Windows 11, bottom right, go to the bits where you got the Wi-Fi, the volume control, and the battery. You want the volume control, so click on that. And then you got the volume here. Okay. What you need to do is click on the select sound output. Now, I'm aware we're not doing sound output, but this is going to show you how to change the microphone. In this bit here, got a couple of options, but you want to go to more volume settings down the bottom. And then, when you got more volume settings, scroll down, and you got input, and you can pick the microphone that you want as the input device. So select the appropriate microphone. Once you've done that, just close the window, and then this camera here will start using the correct microphone for all of your recordings. Anyway, hope you found it useful. Subscribe to my channel, it does help me a lot. Thank you very much. Like the video, and good luck.